And now we'll view properties of logarithmic functions. So we have an x-intercept at 1, 0, as I just told you. This is decay, this is growth. It all has to do with the base. If the base is greater than 1, it's growth. If it is between 0 and 1, it's decay. All right. Again, with the negative bases, we're not going to treat anything that way. We're only going to look at bases that are positive. And so when the in behavior, they talk about going to 0 on the right side. The one thing I did not mention in the previous slide, these are continuous. There's no breaks. So we're going to talk about transformations. Well, this plus 1 is on the inside. So this means it must go, not right 1, I'm sorry, inside's backwards. So this is going to go left 1 unit. So remember the y-intercept, I'm sorry, not the y-intercept, the x-intercept. Before, the x-intercept was 1, 0. But if it goes left 1, it should become, if we go left 1, it'll become 0, 0. So when we see this graph, we should have an x-intercept at 0, 0. And we sure do. That's my x-intercept there. And my asymptote would be left 1 now. If I looked at this closely, I would see that this asymptote is right there. It's been shifted left 1 unit. Notice these are counting by 2's. Okay, so this time I see a few different transformations. This, it looks like it's been reflected vertically because it's on the outside. So if it's reflected vertically, that means it's going from the top to the bottom or the bottom to the top, which is over which axis? Be over the x-axis. So we have reflection over the x-axis. This, I know it looks like it's inside, but it's not inside the parentheses. So I'm going to put a parenthesis here. So you can see, since it's not parentheses, you'd put that in parentheses. This is on the outside. So this would be down 2. So it should be reflected and down 2. Here's the original. This has been reflected, and it's gone down 2 units. So instead of hitting at 1, 0, it now hits at 1, negative 2, because it went down 2 units, and it has been reflected. So we're right on there. Okay, let's look at this one. Now we're multiplying by 5. Multiplying by 5 is a vertical stretch. By factor 5. This here is on the inside, so this would be right 3. Let's look at the graph. You'll see it's been shifted right 3 units. When I add in my asymptote here, again, we're counting by 2's, so you'll see it's been shifted from 0 over there. And not only that, if you looked at this value here, being at 1, 0, it is now should be at 4, 0, and it is. So it's been shifted right 3 units and stretched. So here's a couple DOLs for you to try.